Ever dreamt of diving into the world of cryptocurrency but felt intimidated by the entry barrier? You're not alone. One of the most common questions we hear is, what's the minimum I need to spend to get started with Beam Wallet? Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're about to clear that up once and for all. Beam Wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user anonymity. It's designed to give you more control over your finances in the digital age. But, like any financial venture, you might be wondering how much you need to invest to begin your journey with Beam. Let's face it, starting with cryptocurrency can feel a bit daunting. You might be worried about losing money, or maybe you're unsure about the minimum investment required. That's why we're here to break it down and make it simple. The good news is, Beam Wallet has a very low entry barrier. You don't need to break the bank to start exploring the world of privacy-focused cryptocurrency. Here's the key takeaway: Beam Wallet doesn't have a strict minimum purchase amount. How does it work? You can purchase any amount of Beam you desire. Why is this beneficial? Flexibility. This flexibility allows you to start small and gradually increase your holdings as you become more comfortable with cryptocurrency. Accessibility. It makes cryptocurrency more accessible to a wider range of users, regardless of their budget. This low entry barrier offers several advantages. Experimentation. You can experiment with small amounts to understand how Beam Wallet works and how cryptocurrency transactions are conducted. Risk management. Starting small allows you to minimize your initial risk and gradually increase your investment as you gain more confidence and knowledge. Learning curve. It provides a smoother learning curve, allowing you to explore the world of cryptocurrency at your own pace. Practical tips for beginners. Start with a small amount. Begin with a small amount of Beam that you're comfortable investing. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the platform and its features without significant financial risk. Research and learn. Before making any significant investments, take the time to research Beam and understand its technology, use cases, and market trends. Prioritize security. Always prioritize security when using any cryptocurrency wallet. You might be wondering, is there a minimum amount for receiving Beam? No, there isn't. You can receive any amount of Beam, regardless of the size of the transaction. Ready to take the plunge? Visit the Beam Wallet website or download the app to get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.